guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Air Max 3 Laser Blue. Before we get into the review, guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and always get engaged. I would love to hear your comments, thoughts, and everything. Just hit that on the comment section below. Let's get into the review. So, if you cannot tell by this really old school looking box, we've got a look at the Nike Air Max 3 in the laser blue colorway. I was gonna say something else because, oh that's right, because right here it says white, black, gray fog. And let's take some time to appreciate this box. This is like the OG Air Max 90 box, Air Max 3 box, sorry. I think I'm gonna get confused. I'll keep on calling this an Air Max 90 because for those that don't know, an Air Max 3 is also known as the Air Max 90 because that's the year it came out. This is like the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 90, Air Max 3, sorry, done it again. But yeah, it's been 30 years since the Air Max 3's come out, and we got one of the OG colorways in the laser blue. And let's get into that specs. So we've got this in a US 8.5, European 42, and it's a UK 7.5. As I mentioned, like the nickname of this sneaker is the laser blue, but this is also like initially called what's here on the sticker. It says white, black, grey fog. Open, and here we go. Look at that. Classic indeed. Let's start with the outsole. So with that outsole, your typical Air Max 90 outsole with a waffle imprint on the forefoot and just the normal that wave looking thing down there, all made out of rubber. Going along the midsole, so you've got that famous Air Max bubble right there, the air unit. It's the most striking feature. Everyone knows it's the most famous feature of this sneaker right here. And thankfully, I was able to get a pair in the laser blue colorway. As I mentioned, it's one of the OG colorways. I'm pretty sure that infrared is going to come out soon. So depending on when you're watching this video, I think it is the end of 2020. If you're watching this at the end of 2020, like December time, go buy a pair of infrareds if you can. I'm telling the future. Moving ahead, so if you look up, nice laser blue colorway around here on the midsole. It's on the paneling right there on the Air Max logo on the side, here on the lateral side, and it's there on the medial as well. And you've got the typical Nike swoosh. So this is a blend. The upper is, so this is imitation leather, so I'd say it's a PU leather. So this upper is a PU leather, and it's mixed in with the textile, like kind of like meshy nylon. You'll find it here on the front of the toe box, and it is around the ankle support here, going towards the heel counter. Typical, you've got that Nike Air logo. You'll find this in all the Air Max 90s. Nice padding on the ankle as well, and it's nicely padded as well on the tongue, where you'll find that Air Max, Nike Air Max tongue imprinted there, stitched in. And with the lace system, got to hit the accents of blue as well. Typical classic lace system. And who can forget this tag? This orange Nike Air tag came with all like Nike Air Maxes recently as well. If I remember correctly, the last time the Air Max 90s came out, Air Max 3s, it was 2015, and I believe all of them had these tags. So the laser blues did come out that time, and so did the infrareds. One more small can I say, this is iconic, especially in like, I'd say British sneaker culture. Like, we are, as Brits, as Londoners, we're famous for wearing Air Maxes. Personally, I didn't get into Air Maxes until I was a bit older, until we did like that Skepta Air Max 97. I love that pair to death. Prior to that, I didn't really own a pair of Air Maxes. I did own some Air 180s, but never some Air Maxes. But I'm so thankful that I got a pair today. As I mentioned, to me, this is like British culture at its finest. A lot of people would be wearing, like growing up in my area, everyone was wearing like Nike Air Maxes. So just to be part of that, nice to have a part of Nike's heritage. Even like this is Tinker Hatfield's one of his best designs in regards to cushion, and have tried on a pair of MX3s, MX90s before, and I thought they were really comfy. I will hope that this pair is, and it should be. I'll let you know how I get on when we try these on. Let's do it. What more can I say about these sneakers? They are so comfy, guys. Old school vibes, you know, we got that retro look of the MX3. I hate calling them the MX3 forever. They are the MX90 to me. With that all said, I forgot to mention that it comes with the anatomical arch support right there. So if it doesn't fit, if you got high arch, just slip them in. It's like back in the day, back in the 90s, when these came out, they used to come with this arch support in every pair. Thankfully, I don't suffer from that. These are a great fit. Get your true to size, guys. You won't be mad. Buy a pair. This is like heritage when it comes to the sneaker world, and you won't be doing no wrong when you rock these. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.